check out these amazing black and white cookies. The first time I had a black and white cookie, I was in Henderson, Nevada. And as you know, Nevada and Oklahoma are not very close in distance. So I had to learn how to make these myself because I love them so much. As always, you can find the recipe in the description. If you decide to make this, comment, let me know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe so we can keep in touch. So far, I have mixed together the wet ingredients and I am working on the dry ingredients here. I'm going to combine these. I'm going to do that by alternating the flour and the buttermilk, starting with flour and ending with buttermilk. Once you get all that combined, don't forget to scrape down your bowl. I'm going to scoop these out onto a cookie sheet at about 1.5 tablespoons size and pat those down. With the magical powers of editing, they will go into the refrigerator and chill while the oven preheats. They will bake, they will come out, they will cool. And now I'm mixing together the glaze, which is a crazy amount of powdered sugar. There is cornstarch that gives them like a glazy texture. Then you have vanilla, and just mix that together. You're going to thin it out with some hot water. Don't overdo it. You just kind of want it to be like about this consistency here. Split this concoction in half. You're going to have a chocolate side and vanilla side. This is my technique for keeping that straight line in the center. I just draw it across and then kind of paint it on there. And I could have put a little bit more vanilla on here, but hindsight. So mix together chocolate into your other icing. You can add a little bit of milk to thin it out a little bit if you need to. And then you're just going to paint the other side. Start with that line and then go from that inside out and you will be all set. If you decide to try out this recipe, let me know. It is so delicious. I know you're going to love it.